Here we have a SAT math question on linear inequality. Okay, let's go over the question. So we have a linear inequality over here that is y less than negative 4x positive 4. Which point x comma y is the solution to the given inequality in the xy plane? Here we have four options. Since it's digital SAT, we can use the Desmos graphing calculator to sketch the graph of the given linear inequality, and we can check the points in the given options and so which point we have in the solution region of this inequality. Okay, so even without using Desmos, we can quickly do this problem. So that is, we have to check the points in the given options one by one with the inequality. So we have to find the point which satisfies the given inequality. So let me check. Let me take the point in option A. That is 2 comma negative 1. In this point, the x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is negative 1. So now what I need to do is I have to plug in x equals to 2 and y equals to negative 1 into this inequality, and we have to check whether the inequality is satisfied by this point. Okay, now let me plug in negative 1 for y and less than negative 4 times for x. I have to plug in 2 positive 4. So I am getting negative 1 less than, when I multiply 4 times 2, it's 8. That is negative 8 positive 4. So negative 1 less than, when I simplify this, I'm getting negative 4. So I'm getting the result when I plug in the point in option A into the inequality. So I'm getting the result negative 1 less than negative 4, but it's false because we know that negative 1 is greater than negative 4, but here the result says negative 1 is less than negative 4. So this is false. So the given inequality is not satisfied by the point given in option A. Okay, now we can try option B. So that is, we have to plug in the point 2 comma 1 into the inequality. So I have to plug in 1 for y and 2 for x positive 4. So 1 less than negative 8 positive 4, 1 less than negative 4. Again, it's false because we know that 1 is greater than negative 4, but here the result says 1 is less than negative 4. This is false. So option B is incorrect. Now let's check with the option C. So for that we have to plug in x equals to 0, y equals to 5. So 5 less than negative 4 times 0 positive 4. So 5 less than, so negative 4 times 0 is 0, 0 positive 4 is 4. So 5 less than 4, again we get a false result. So 5 less than 4 cannot be accepted because 5 is greater than 4. So the point in option C does not satisfy the given inequality. Okay, now we can take the point in option D. So we have to plug in y equals to 0, and for x we have to plug in negative 4 because the x coordinate over here is negative 4. Positive 4. So 0 less than, negative times negative will become positive. 4 times 4 is 16, positive 4. So clearly it's a positive value. So always a positive value is greater than 0, or we can say that 0 is less than a positive value. This is true. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.